Hey guys, this is a Canon Pixma MX490 series printer. This particular one is MX492. We're having this error on the screen. It says 168A. So it says install the cartridges properly. I just put in the cartridges. And there could be a few things. It could be either a faulty cartridge, and to check that, just pull one by one. What happens sometimes is ink gets in these areas right here, and you will see it if there's ink that's not letting the computer read the chips on the cartridge. So this one is clean. This one has tape on it, so it was supposed to be removed. This is an aftermarket ink cartridge, but it should still work. This tape was supposed to be removed. Usually there's a tab over here to grab it by, so we're just going to remove this tape. And in your case, check out these two things. Is make sure that this contact area is clean, and clean it with an alcohol swab. An alcohol swab like this here, something similar. Or you can just put paper towel and put some alcohol or cleaning solution on it, and just go ahead and wipe these clean, the ink cartridges, and let it dry. In our case, we're going to remove the tape. It's just protective packaging tape that was on there. Usually it's just different type of tape. Remove that, make sure there isn't anywhere else, and you can also give it a quick cleaning wipe and let it wait. While we do that, we can just go in here and we can clean this area. So in our case here, it's very clean. So I'll just show you. This is how you do it. You can put it on a, wind it on a pencil with some rubber band, and then just do that. But then you can get in there with your hands and just wipe it clean. So I would just put it on a pen or a pencil, put some rubber band on it, or anything to clamp this with. That should be good. And we can just go in there, just go inside here and just give it a cleaning wipe. These contacts are the ones that need to be cleaned, so be careful with them, not to leave any swab hairs in there, and just clean it up. So after all that's done, wait about 3 minutes for everything to dry, and we're just going to install the ink cartridges after that. So now it's all good to go. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to our channel, and have a wonderful day. Hopefully this was helpful for you. Thanks.